Hello. Welcome to Experts Tech. In this video I will show you how to log in automatically in Windows 11. Let's start. First, you need to remove your Windows password. To remove the password, right-click on this PC from your desktop and then select Manage. Or open Run command by pressing Win+R keys, type compmgmt.msc, and then select OK. Expand local users and groups, select Users. Then right-click on a user, the one you want to log in automatically, and then select a set password. Select Proceed. Click OK without typing passwords. Click OK. The password has been removed. Now I will show you how to allow automatic login via user accounts. Hold Windows key plus R to launch Runbox, type Control, user passwords 2. Or type netplwiz to sign into a user account automatically and then select OK. User account window will open. Deselect the checkbox. Users must enter a username and password to use this computer, and then select OK. Click OK. Now I will show you how to log into a user account automatically using Windows Registry. Hold Windows key plus R, type regedit, and then press Enter. Once open the registry editor, go to the following path. HKEY_local_machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, WinLogon. Find Auto Admin Logon from your right and double-click to open it. Enter 1 in the value data box and then select OK. Close the registry editor and then restart your computer. Windows will sign you in without typing a password. To turn off automatic login, change the value of Auto Admin Logon to 0. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel.